Hey there, be healthy. Let me tell you that this is Antidote Cure. If you want, you can have Antidote Cure from our website. Let me tell you, the website name is firstaidcure.weebly.com. Let me tell you how to open that site. If you want, you can directly go to Chrome, open your website www.firstaidcure.weebly.com. Watch, it is popping up in the search bar. You can directly go and click on search. The website will be open. This is open up. You can check all these things by, if you want directly, you can take it. If you want, you can buy this green on silver strip Antidote Cure. You can click on the button, it will direct it to you to on your payment side. You can payment from on your wallet or from your bank account. Let me tell you, this is all the things which you have been seen. Why are you here and what are you searching for? You can search all these things, and you can take this acid and base reaction. If you want, you can take litmus paper. You can go out from there. This is the things you can check it out for any kind of poisons and snakes. Let me tell you, you have everything over here. This is the job CRMs. If you want, you can hire a job from here. Download a CRM. Username and password is there. Take You want to take a first aid CRM user password, first APK. You can directly allow the unknown source in your application and directly allow this thing. Okay. If you want, you can directly take and you can remove this thing from file manager and install the APK application from there. This is all the things which we have. This black things are buttons. You can click on the buttons and you can check the views, and you will be directed on that payment links or YouTube links or video links. You can check this thing how it works, and you can order it from this. If you want, you can hire a job, and let me tell you that the payment links are in website only. If you want, you can order from website directly. If you want to download CRM, you can download CRM. You can order CRM from your website. It is free, and let me tell you, you can take anything, make your details, write your address and everything, download your CRM from website and directly order your products, and you have your payment links on website. Directly go to website and do your payment, and you can download the First Aid CRM app also. It is free. Download it from First Aid CRM. And for job seekers, let me tell you that you have a button over here. You can directly go. If you want job, you can watch video, click on that button. Let me tell you, if you want to apply for work, let me tell you, the applied sheet will be applied for you. You have to click on this button. If you click on this button, this link will be directed to direct to the payment page. You will get your sheet, pay 100 rupees. The sheet will be at your phone, and you will be getting your job. If you want, you can do any kind of job. Like if you want to make Aadhaar card, you can make Aadhaar card. If you want to sell Antidote Cure, you can sell Antidote Cure. If you want to order anything, you can order from this. If you want to sell horse beans or mustard seeds, anything which you have been grown at your home, you can sell directly from this application. If you want, you can work with this application very well as a back office for girls and boys both. If you want, you can download the CRM from the website, and it is very helpful, and you can go up till your goal and make your goal and be success. All the best, and take care for your goal.